What is today's date? When was our last class? 12. So 12 plus 7? 19. Because every week we are having, every week we will have 7 days. So we had class. So 12 plus 7? 19. Next class will be 19 plus 7?
26.
26, right. So today's class is on 19.
Sir, I didn't come last class.
No problem, that will not affect your, because today we are going to learn the new sutra. Okay, that is Ekadhikena Purvena. Note it down. I will tell you the definition first. Sutra definition in Ekadhikena Purvena. Is this visible for you all? Arish, you know the Ekadhikena Purvena. Of the important sutras of the Vedic Mathematics. Now we are starting the sutras. We had the basics earlier. Today we start sutra. So 3 classes we had the basics. Basics also we have recorded and then kept. And then we had given the parents' notes also. So that it is there in the group. And those things will not affect your learning today. This is completely independent principle or the sutra. Ek means how many? 1. Adhik means more or less? More. Write it down, Arush and Kaushal. Ekadhikena Purvena. Do you have a pen or pencil? Which one you are going to use? So Kaushal needs a base. You can keep this as a base. Kaushal? No, because you don't have the pad. You also don't have the pad.
Sir, I have a plan, but I didn't bring it. I have a plan, but I forgot.
You have it, but you have forgot.
Yeah.
Next class you should bring. I will mention in the group. Asking mommy to bring it, okay? Ekadhikena Purvena. So today we are going to learn addition technique using this. Okay? Right? You have noted down Ekadhikena Purvena and addition. Don't use the sketch pen, Arush, Kaushal. Use this pen. Okay. Now let's see the small number. Suppose whenever we ask 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, how much? 5. 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7, 12. 15 plus 17, 15 plus 17, 32. So here how did you do? Here how did you do? Whenever it is crossing 10, we are doing something. We are adding or shifting 1 to the left digit, Purva digit. Purva is nothing but the before digit. Okay, not the small and big before. That's a before. Means tens place. This is ones place. This is tens place. So tens place is before ones place. Purva, like this. It keeps moving towards the left. That is called Purva. Okay, Kaushal. So whenever this is crossing 10, we will take only the digit in the units place and write it here. Okay, and then we shift that 1, ek, adhik to the Purva. So we will be shifting it here. It means, so 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. You know it in the mind because single digits you can add it always And also, once it crosses 10, only when it crosses 10, you put a dot here and then write the unit digit place here. 2 will come here. So now each dot will be representing 1. Okay? How many dots are here? 1 dot is there. Along with the other numbers, you have to count one more for 1 dot. So 1, 1 and 1 dot is there. Total is 3. Okay, Kaushal? So, here also, when there is no digit in the tens place, you write 0, 5 and 7 is equals to 12. So, 2 we are writing here, and then the Ekadhik, whichever is Adhik, that we are putting as a dot on the Purva digit. So, on the 0 you are writing 1 dot. So, dot is representing 1. So, 1 we are writing. 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. So that's what it is. So whenever we say here in this, in the addition, 7 dot is coming or 1 dot is coming, what we are doing when we are counting, dot is representing 1 and then plus 7, that is equals to 8. It is like this, okay? We have seen this. You remember, where did we see this? Huh? Not vinculum. 7 dot above. Where did we see this? In the basics did we see or not? Where did we see? Suppose 7 dot is below means? 7 months, that is 6. Correct? Shall we recollect the name for that? Can you see the notes? I will also see them. Huh? Pure digit. Pure digits are having the dots. If it is above, that's the one number after. If it is below, one number before. Correct. Okay? So now you remember 7 dot, why we learned that basics we have learned. Remember, 7 dot is equals to 1 plus 7, that is equals to 8. So you don't write this 7 dot below, you don't write it. Why? Because this will confuse you. Today we are seeing only the additions, where we are going to keep the dot above and then count it to the next number. Okay, Ashtika, that's fine. Okay, Raghuvamshi, that's fine. So now we have seen up to 2 numbers. Now we will start. Ekadhikena Purvena, you have understood what it is. Now we will start with the exercises. This is 63. Kaushal, is it visible for you?
Yes.
And 78. Okay, just write down this question in your notes and then don't write the answer first. Okay, this is the technique that we are going to learn in detail today with some more examples. So for further interactive sessions, please come to Bharateeya Sanatana Granthalayam, Raghavendra Colony, Punjab. This is the YouTube live session of 10 minutes for today's class.